Hey guys, quick video for you. If your Logitech Brio 101 is not working, the first thing that you can try to do, like if I had an issue like that in the past, what you want to try to do is you can try to do and use different port. This is the first thing. So try to use different port. Maybe it's going to fix the issue for you. Then another thing that you can try to do, maybe it's going to also help fix the issue. Not also that you want to do the port and change the port from USB-A to USB-C. Maybe it's going to help. And then you can use Windows Ready to Fix webcam issue. Use Win R shortcut keys to open around commands. So you're gonna have Win and R. Win is on the left bottom. Here you're gonna have regedit. Okay, and now you're gonna be here, and here you're gonna go to you would find a H key, a local machine, then software, Microsoft right here, Windows Media, here it is. Windows Media Foundation, and then you want to go to platform, right click on the platform folder and then select D word. You would come here and select new, and here you're gonna have D word, so you're gonna select that and name the value enable frame server mode, and then right click the new value and select modify, set it to 0, and then you can navigate the same here and repeat the 460 if you own the 64-bit version, and you can restart the PC. You can try this, maybe it's going to help. I don't know, I found this on Reddit. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.